we saw the bird. We are waiting for it to fly past and pick either Ethan or Maisie up. It's
or
that
you.
big.
Or Mom. To be honest,
It's up. It's up in that tree. We just saw it fly again. Gotta go look quietly. Always when I have the camera off. There it goes. There it goes. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. I think it's a sparrowhawk. Wow. Did you see that? I saw that. Did you see that? I saw that. That was amazing. It was on the ground and everything.
that magpie, I think it's that.
Right. We are now sitting and waiting to see if the birdie will come back out. I don't think it will because it's getting scared. Enough.
Oh.
It's over there.
Where?
I can't see it. What's your theories on the bird, Ethan?
It's confuzzing.
You gotta be careful when you do those words because you sound like you're swearing.
All I have to watch out for is cake and Coke.
True. You have messed up on that one. Oh, there's another set of people out there. They mustn't know our secret.
Yeah, they'll know in a moment when they see it.
We may have to
Like
leave.
a bird and the dog goes absolutely.
We may have to leave.